Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will be taking you through the process of setting up your HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin! And as you can see, we begin with this simple screen with getting started, which also works as a language screen. As you can see, you can scroll through these little balls here in order to find and locate your language. For example, we could potentially set it as Polish, but of course, we're not Polish. So let's go all the way up. Let's find our English, which was right here, and let's click Get Started. Now we are choosing our region, so we can scroll down and we can, for example, go with, well, you know what, United Kingdom works fine. But of course, you probably want to check your own region. Now we can agree and continue to terms of use. We do not have a SIM card, so I will skip this. But if you want to, you can always add your own SIM card. Now we need to locate our network. For me, it's this one, so I will click it. And now I will input the password to it. And now let's hit simply connect. We are connecting and our network is done. Of course, you could potentially skip this, it is skippable without any issues, but we would skip a major site of setting up. Everything Google account related will be just gone, so I would strongly advise you to connect to internet anyway. Now, let's hit continue. We have to continue through our data and privacy. And now we can set up our device protection. As you can see, we can go with fingerprint ID, face recognition or lock screen password. We do have other tutorials on that, but I will quickly set up a nice password, though I do not want 6-digit PIN. Instead, I can change password type to, for example, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or alphanumeric password. I think I will go with pattern, since this is the most convenient and the fastest pattern I can have. So let me go with this little nice L shape. Let's hit done. And now we have a nice screen lock. Here we have parental control. We could potentially set it up, but I just don't think it's necessary, since we are not setting up parental control. But if you do want to set up parental control, you can look up other tutorials on our channel on how to do that. For now, I will go with Not Now option. Now we have the HUAWEI ID. As you can see, there are plenty of features, so we could potentially go with continue, and we could potentially log in, but we don't have to. We can go with don't have HUAWEI login, and then right here go with maybe later. As you can see, it will basically scream at us that if we have no HUAWEI ID, we won't be able to use cloud, find device, wallet, health and more. So we could potentially set it up, but once again, I do not have an account on me right now, so I will simply go with leave. Now we have HMS Core, which I guess is a service based off ads, which will basically enable personalized ads. It's completely up to you if you want this feature or not. I will go with nah. I will disable those, and I will disable the statistics, since gathering data is usually nah for me. But of course, if you want to, you can leave it on. Let's hit next. We now have enhanced services. So as you can see, this is pretty shady. We could enable this magic button, enable all services, and we won't really have idea what we are enabling. So we can go with setup enhanced services. And as you can see, we have automatic software updates, Wi-Fi plus, weather service, AI search, My HUAWEI, AI live service, AI voice, improve AI voice detection, AI touch, AI, and calendar service. So as you can see, there is a plenty of things with different things on them. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure if I want this or not. Okay, I have noticed that you guys couldn't really see anything, so I've lowered the exposure of the camera, so you can now probably see exactly what our enhanced services are. and as you can see, most of them are AI based. Now, it's completely up to you if you want to enable them or not. I won't. I will only enable automatic software updates and Wi-Fi Plus, since this sounds like something I will actually use, and all of this is just useless for me. So now I will simply leave it. And as you can see, we now, instead of enable all, we can only enable selected services. So yeah, let's enable those. Now we have users experience improvement program with a nice letter from HUAWEI itself. Dear customer, to enhance user experience, blah 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 blah. It's basically gather data connection, so we can go with later. But of course, once again, if you want to, you can enable those. The same things goes with share analytics. I will also set later, since I do not like sharing my data. Location services are kind of necessary. We could potentially skip this, but this is necessary for example, Google Find My Device, which is really useful whenever you will, well, lose your device. So I will leave it on. Now we have data input. As you can see, we can choose to move data from another device. We can restore our data from HUAWEI Cloud Backup, or we can set up this device as new device. Now, I'm going to choose the last option, since for me this is a new device, but most people are actually already have or in possession on some sort of data. So if you are, I would strongly advise you to move data from another device now, since later on this will require you to download some weird third-party applications in order to perform this action. So I will set it up as new device, but once again you probably want to set it up as older device that you want to move data from. Now we can use navigation gestures. I'm actually going to leave with that, since I really like gestures, so I will simply go finish. And now, lastly, we have app gallery. And as you can see, this is beautiful thing called bloatware. They will try to install you automatically some random stuff that, oh sorry for that, that you're probably never going to use. So I will simply uncheck all of these. Booking, I'm not going to do that. These mobile games are pretty bad, to say at least. Can I please uncheck that? Thank you. Okay, now let's go with next. You may receive app recommendations. That's interesting. Now we have some fancy animation, and we simply hit try now. And boom! As you can see, we now have beautiful HUAWEI set up. Unfortunately, there are some bloatware. App Advisor, no. So as you can see, it's not downloaded yet, but it is here, and whenever we connect to Wi-Fi, which is now, it will probably install these applications. So we want to get rid of that. But I will do that in the next episode of our channel, which I will show you first things to do after setup. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.